Welcome to Rotovia Deventer. My name is Björn de Gutter and I'm plant manager of this site. Rotovia Deventer is founded in 1965 and we are producing rotomolding solutions ever since. Since June 2022, Rotovia Deventer is part of the Rotovia Group, which is a leading international rotomolder. As part of the group strategy, we are focusing on growth, employee well-being and sustainability. As part of our focus on sustainability, we recently installed solar panels on our roof. This to reduce our carbon footprint and to promote renewable energy. My colleague Dennis Oosterhuis would be happy to share some more details with you about this project.
I'm Dennis Oosterhuis, responsible for continuous improvement for Rotovia Deventer. For making use of solar energy, we had to make more than 2,000 square meters of roof suitable for this installation. For your imagination, I would like to take you with me to the roof. Here we are at the roof. Here we have installed 876 solar panels. Most of the solar panels are installed in east-west arrangement. Some of them are also installed in south arrangement. This allows us to have a nice spread of generated energy throughout all day. The solar panels have an output of 455 kilowatt peaks. This means for the total installation, the capacity is 337,000 kilowatt hours. For your imagination, you can compare this with energy consumption of about 90 households. For us in Deventer, it's 20% of our total energy consumption. We'd like to share our sustainability efforts with our colleagues and visitors. We do so by showing the efforts on this screen. Overall, it has been a great project where we built, certified and delivered the project according to the latest standards, all within less than 4 months.
Yeah, so I hope we give you a good impression about this project and we keep on investigating the possibilities to become more sustainable, so a lot more projects will follow.